Hello everyone, my name is Tariq Truman, as it says on my YouTube channel, which you're probably watching this on. This is probably going to be like a little update video. Maybe put like a one-liner in there or something. You know. Oh, I'm dying. Okay, never mind. Okay, so I think I haven't been uploading. There's not like really a reason for it. I think it's just because like I just don't want to. I'm lazy. I don't know. I'm fat. That might be it. It might just because I'm fat. God damn it, cars. Have to mess up everything. Is there a fucking car over there? Did you see that car? Yeah, me too. So, actually right now, I'm on my way walking to school today, because that's what I do every day. Alright, I almost got ran over. No, that's always a good thing. You're about to get ran over, it's always good. Yeah. Holy cow. Okay. I'm gonna stop the video until I get to a place where there's no cars, there's no sound. And we're back. Probably did that jump cut wrong. Okay. Another car. Alright. So anyway, I don't know. Insert Undertale jokes, because the birds are chirping and flowers are blooming. And, kids should be burning in hell. It's the way to have a bad time. It's the good shit, as the kiddos call it these days. But the good shit. I don't know. I'm bored. I'm probably not gonna upload this, because this is really long and hard and boring. Besides hard. It's probably just throbbing though. By the way, I have I have something that I have something that I need to say to you guys. At my concert, Tuesday, there was this kid, right? And, he kept dabbing and being... Okay. If you didn't hear that, I said he kept dabbing and, being a swole guy, whipping and nay-naying. It was pretty cool. I was gonna make a video about it. Then I noticed, kids have been saying that I think he's like autistic or something. So I don't think I'm gonna do a video about that. Because, Leafy got in so much trouble. God damn it, cars! God. Okay. Leafy got in so much trouble when he did that. Leafy got in so much trouble. So I don't think I'm gonna do that. Alright? Okay. Peace out, weenies. See you next time. Vape Nation.